Hello viewers, this lecture is about the theories that are based on the acid, base and salt. So basically we do have four theories, namely Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory, Lewis theory and Lux-Flood theory. Now this one is new one from all of your course that you have done recently. So do focus on this theory because this theory is also known as the modern theory. But in this lecture, we are gonna only cover the Arrhenius theory. Because we don't say that we should learn each and everything in detail. So we should go with each theory separately. So best of luck and let's get started. So let's start from the basic theory, the Arrhenius theory of acids and base. Now learn all these theories are so basics. So learn this theory according to some of the facts. Arrhenius theory. Do remember that Arrhenius theory is based on water. Just suppose that I do have 2 jars of water or 2 glass of water, whatever you want to take. You can also take it as a beaker. So it depends on you what you see. Okay. Apart from that, first fill it with water. Now this is a unique type of water that is being filled by the void space. Okay. Now just suppose that what if I put the acid in it? I'm telling about the Arrhenius theory. Keep that in mind. What if I place the acid in it? According to Arrhenius theory, when we place the acid in it, it will produce the H ion, hydrogen ion. Apart from that, when we'll place the base, that will produce hydroxide ions, OH ions. Now this is all about the Arrhenius theory. Now let me tell you okay, I have done a mistake here that I have written here OH plus, but it is OH minus. Sorry about that. So basically, Arrhenius theory is based on what? H ions and OH ions. Nothing else. Now let me tell you a bonus point that whenever you are talking about the positive sign, that basically means that you are talking about what? The acid. Okay. And whenever you are talking about the negative sign that you can see here on the OH, that means you're talking about what? The basic. The base. Whenever a compound have positive sign, keep that in mind that it is talking about the base. Whenever a positive sign is there, that means it is acid. Now that depends whether it is strong acid or weak acid. But apart from that, that is acid. Now let's move on to the definition. Acid is a substance that produce hydrogen ions. The key point of this whole theory. And base produce what? Hydroxide ions. Neutralization happens because hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions react to produce water. Now one thing that to be noted is that whenever you add hydrogen plus OH, now you can see here we got two hydrogen, so here it will be H2 and one oxygen H2O. Positive into negative, they will be cancelled out and it will become neutral. And this is what? This is water. That produces that. Now here, there's a concept. Now let me tell you why this happened. Just because we know that we are talking about the water, right? All the solvents are produced in the water. So whenever we add any neutral substance like NaCl, for instance, you're talking about the NaCl. So the power of the cations and anions will make them break out if they are weak ones. So this is whole concept behind it. Apart from that, hydrochloric acid is neutralized by both sodium hydroxide or ammonia solution. Now that's a different thing because there are different solvents. It doesn't depend that which solvent you are using, but this theory is only applicable for solvents. In case of both, you get colorless solution which you can crystallize to get a white salt, either sodium chloride or ammonium chloride. These are clearly very similar reactions. The full equations are here. When these will react with HCl, that if you are talking about the sodium hydroxide, when it will react with HCl, it will produce salt plus water. When you are talking about the ammonia plus HCl, that will produce NH4Cl. Now, these both are salts. According to this condition, you will always find out a clear solution. Okay, now this was only the concept behind the Arrhenius theory. So congratulations you all, you are done with one of the theory out of 4. So wait till next video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel.